Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to make a quick video on the Yeezy Boost 700v2 by Adidas in collaboration with Kanye West. This released on Saturday the 23rd of March 2019 and it comes with your brown slide out Yeezy 700 cardboard box. Nothing new here, but we're not here for the box anyway, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Yeezy Boost 700v2 Geode. A geode is a roundish rock that contains a hollow cavity lined with crystals which are usually a gradient white to a deep pink or purple. Honestly, I don't really understand the naming process. Kanye seems to be on this motion physics / almost geological theme, which might also explain the earthy tones in this release. It features a dark brown prime knit upper with chocolate brown low grey nubuck overlays. Brown tumble leather hits can be seen on the lower mid panel and heel, with some graphite grey hits at the heel as well. This all sits on a shadow grey midsole, and if you look closely at the debossed droplets at the heel, you can see it has a slight slate grey detailing, which is a nice touch. What's also nice is this sits on a caramel gum outsole, which exposes a bit of the shadow grey sole, as well as the white boost cushioning. This is the second 700v2 colorway, after the static, and some people are calling this the Mauve v2, but in my opinion these are much better than the Mauves. These are brown while the Mauves were mauve.
Well, duh.
Which is more like a pale burgundy colour, and these don't have that volt green hits at the midsole, which is a lot cleaner and continues that simple look that follows the static, with a few extra details. One detail is the buttery smooth fossil grade nubuck that's at the toe. One thing I love about the 700v2 is it features a lot more coloured 3M. This is great because it can execute a tonal look while adding a pop at night. Speaking of pop, these also feature shadow grey laces with a little bit of reflective specklings on it. Overall, the materials build quality is all spot on, which is why it justifies that $300 or £250 price point. Yes, it's still quite expensive, but I feel like the materials and the design as well as the Yeezy name definitely makes it worth it. To me, it's more comfortable with that full boost outsole, supportive with the added Ultralight insoles and that one piece design as the tongue is sewed into the upper, and stylish because I love its improved shape and design details. Personally, I really like the tonal style kicks. It kind of reminds me of the early 950 chocolate brown duck boots as well as the Yeezy Boost 750s that released a couple years ago. Colours like grey, cream, beige are easy to style, and this darker tone means it's also easy to clean. I look forward to the triple black colorway, and yes, I'm very happy of how these stand out. I like these so much that I think it would be really cool to see a Geode Yeezy Boost 350v2 colorway. I can imagine a dark sole with the brown upper and some reflective laces. To be honest, if those come out, I'm definitely going to pick up a pair. But before I go, I want to say a massive thank you to the guys of our Offspring for the raffle win. I'm really happy with my pair, but are you? Did you manage to pick these up? There's still pairs available online as recording at 2 AM the next day. So I hope you didn't miss out on these if you wanted them. Or are you like a lot of people, or are you passing on these? If so, let me know why you're passing. Is it because the true forms came out? Are there too many Yeezys that released previously? Or you just don't like the colorway? Let me know your thoughts and if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and comment rocks to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and all relevant links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.